Hi, I'm Louis. I'm a blockchain engineer here at Zama, where I work on the fhEVM. The fhEVM is a smart contract platform that leverages fully homomorphic encryption in order to allow smart contract devs to manipulate and compute on encrypted data entirely on-chain. Last week, we released version 0.1.13, which introduces several new features. The feature I find the most interesting, though, is the CMUX, or ciphertext multiplexer. Let's take a look at a code snippet to see how it works. So here I have a solidity function that takes in 3 arguments, the first of which being of type eBool, or encrypted boolean, as well as 2 euint arguments, or encrypted unsigned integers. The tfhe.cmux function here works as follows. If the control bit is an encryption of true, then the second argument is returned. Otherwise, the third argument is returned. This can be done without having to decrypt any of the 3 arguments, thanks to fhE. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more info about the new releases of the fhEVM.